Hi everyone, this is Maniramakrishna. So today we are going to start a new course on electrical installation. So here's the electricity is dangerous and some causes the death. So here before going to start the electrical installation, so we have the some tools required for the electrical installation. So for that, first we are knowing the electrical installation tools. So electrical works involve the installation, maintenance and repair of the electrical equipment and the fittings. So electrical installation equipment maintenance, repair, electrical equipment fittings. Here, so we have to do the safe work habits to minimize the dangers. So if you want to minimize, we have to know which tool we have required the certain works. Okay, so we have the safe working habits in the proper way of using electrical tools. So for a particular job, so proper tool with the proper specification we have to use. So first, so we have to know about the screwdriver, the basic tool. So use it the loose and tighten. So keep the screws in the position. So this is the screwdriver. So normally use the screwdriver. So having the tip, blade, and the handle. So this is the tip, and here is the we are having the handle. So this is the handle. So this is the blade. This is the handle. So we're having the case. So this is the blade part. Okay. So tip, blade, handle. So here are the different types of tips are there. So depending upon the screws and application. So harder. So tip is the harder and tumbler, and this is the blade. So blade is made up of carbon steel and insulator, so that what is electron. So here after this is the electrical will be there. So that is the hardened steel. So from this here, this is the insulated part will be there. So who are doing the work, so that will be isolation. Okay, insulated place will be there. So that's why there. So it is the handle is in some cases it's made up of the wooden type or plastic. So depend upon the type of material. So here is different types of screwdrivers are there. So this is the heavy duties or square blade screwdriver. So this the spiral ratchet type screwdriver. So here some applications. So this type of screwdrivers we have used. So it's having heavy duty screwdriver. So like this, if they so this type of screwdriver you see. So if it is the screws having the in the hole, okay, then we can use the ratchet type screwdrivers. This is the offset screwdrivers, and here is the Phillips screwdriver. So Phillips screwdriver is having the screw. Okay, so we have like this. So then we have using the Phillips screwdriver. So this is the offset screwdriver used in mainly mechanical workshops, and sometimes the screws also there. So application. So offset screwdriver usually in small openings and out in the head of the screw. So Phillips screwdriver is special designed to the fit heads of the Phillips screws. So different types of screws are also there. So for particular application only we have to use the particular tool. So heavy duty screwdriver used for the turning heavy screws, and the thin blade screwdriver is used for screwing unscrewing the screws of switches, lamp. So which are used in the commonly that is the thin blade screwdriver. So helical and spiral ratchet use turn screws when there is a large opening head of screw is opened. So these are some precautions we need while using the screwdrivers. So this is the screwdriver. So here are some precautions. So that is the rated voltage. Okay, so some rated voltage will be there. So we have to using certain rated voltage only we have to use. So above rated voltage if used, so then it causes the damage or the insulation also breaks and we get the short. Who are working with the screwdriver. So have the another tool that is the pliers. So here, so used for cutting and twisting of the wire, gripping and holding of the screws. So the screwdriver, so that which are used for screws, and here is the plier, so which are used for twisting wires, spraying and holding the screws. So here is the this having some ports So these are the two moving parts will be joints. So here is the insulated handle, here is the legs and pivot and cutting edge, okay, which are used to cut the wire, moving jaws to hold the and gripping screws, and this is the pivot, and here also we can place the and wire and we can cut. So this is the insulated handle and pivot wire. This is a wire cutter. So insulation also we can remove. But one thing we have to use that we do not use this pliers as a hammer. Okay. So having some types of pliers are there. This is a side cutting plier. This is the nose plates. So it depends upon the applications we have to use. Okay. So this is the cutting edge plates, side plates, and this is the nose player. So here this is the diagonal screwdriver. So this is the slide point joint. Okay, so depending upon applications. Okay, so different applications are in electrical installation. So at that point only we have using the products. So here is the application. So application is that so side cutting pliers used for the cutting, twisting the wires. Okay, nose player. So nose players jaws are used to bending, holding of wire, and nose players are used for placing, removing the small items in the narrow places. Okay, so due to that, it will having the nose having the place. Okay, so diagonal cutting pliers used for cutting, stripping of the electrical wires. Next, slip joint pliers is used for holding and gripping of the small articles. So here I am using some precautions while using the pliers. That is, insulation of the handle must be strong and good quality. If insulation is removed or any cuttings there, then will who are handling the pliers, they will get the shock. And proper size and type of pliers should be used for the particular work. So if the which type of plier using and the application also should be matched. If application is different, you are using the pliers different, then job doesn't done. So here is a hammer. So hammer used for sticking purpose, punching, bending, strengthening the forging. So here is a pin, wedge, eye hole, cheek, head, face, handle. So sometimes it may be available in the handle with maybe wooden or steel. So so hammer handle is capable of absorbing shock and the made of good quality of wood or you have used in the electrical installation. So I will receive the handle and hammer head is made up of steel and carbon steel. And sticking position hammer is called as hammer face. That will build up the position is called cheek. And hammer pin used for stopping and forming the bar. So we have different types of hammers. So first we have the ball pin hammer, cross pin hammer, and straight pin hammer. So claw pin hammer. Okay, so first we'll talk about the ball pin hammer. So which are using the normal. So these are wedges, faces, and here we are using titan, and here is the head and handle, and this is the ball pin. So the head is the shape of the ball. Here is the ball. So that's called the ball pin hammer. So used to drive the nails. So which are used for forcing to drive the nails into the wall. Next, cross pin hammer. So cross pin hammer having the wedges, neck, more face, cheek, eye. Okay. So then what we have to using this type of applications, then you have to use. Next, this consists of the straight head and cross pin. So this is the straight head and cross pin used for the making guides on the holes. Okay, so here, so if in the house make to making is okay, that is we're placing the nails. So we have to use the different types of the nails. Okay, that's why you have to use the holes. So in the there is in your wall. Okay, so for placing the nails, okay, before making that, so we are using the wooden guards. Okay, so for making that guards, so into the particular shape. So then before making the nail, so we have to place the this guards in the hole. Okay, then we have to place the nail on this one. Okay, that is the making the holes. So next, straight pin hammer. So this is the straight pin hammer used for the general works. and the claw pin hammer, which are used for the remove the nails. Okay, so face pin hammer used to drive the nails and claw at the end of the pulley. Next, applications. So used for the waste taking purpose and used for punching and bending conduits and straightening the cables. Okay, so applications we have used for using as a hammer. That is, proper size hammer should be used for particular job. So if for nail removing, so then cross pin hammer you have to. So do not using the ball pin hammer. That's it. So handle should not be loose. If loose handle if used, so then we get the handle, okay, the handle and the ball pin, so that will be removed separately. Then we'll get the on hands, or due to the heavy weight we'll get the damage the equipment, or we get the shock. So these are the some applications. That's we have the three tools we have discussed. That is hammer. First one is the we are having the hammer, screwdriver, and pliers. Okay, thank you. So this is Maniramakrishna. So in the next video we will get the another types of tools which are used in electrical installation.